Let's embark on an adventure, as we uncover the mystery behind card number 1. Oh, look! It's a penguin. Let's listen to the adorable sounds of a penguin. Now, onto card number 2. What amazing animal awaits us here? It's a dolphin. But what sound does a dolphin make? And what lies beneath card number 3? It's an elephant. Let's discover the majestic sounds of an elephant. The animal kingdom is full of wonders. Let's reveal the mystery behind card number 4. It's a cute little duck. But what does a duck sound like? Let's move on to card number 5. Look, it's a flock of geese. But what noise do geese make? Incredible! Now, let's explore card number 6. It's an owl. Owls make such unique sounds, don't they? Only 4 cards left. Let's unveil the mystery behind card number 7. It's a frog. But how does a frog sound? What will we discover next? Let's reveal card number 8. Oh, amazing! It's a whale. Let's listen to the majestic sounds of a whale. Just a couple more to go. Let's see what's behind card number 9. It's a donkey. What noise does a donkey make? And finally, the last mystery animal under card number 10 is a rooster. Let's hear the cheerful sound of a rooster crowing.